Now see, little bit different from the introductory part. This is a typical quantitative analysis. Quantitative analysis, the diagram showing the steps involving in quantitative analysis. There are large number of possible paths through the steps in quantitative analysis. See, concentrate on the method. First of all, you have to select the method. What type of analysis, what type of method you are going to use. So, first one is selection of the methodology or selection of the method. Now start the processing the sample. Start the process of the how to process the sample, how to take the sample. You have to collect the sample of water, you have to collect the sample of soil, you have to collect the sample of tablets. You can take the sample of ingots in the garage or anywhere, whatever your purpose, you have to take the sample. Now, is sample soluble? Is the sample soluble? If no, then go for the dissolution. Means how to make it soluble. You have to find out the procedure for the chemical dissolution. The second one, if the sample is insoluble, if there is no change, if it is soluble, then measure the property. Even after the dissolution, you can measure the property. After measuring the property, or if after doing the titration, you can do the titrimetric method, you can go by the instrumental method, you can measure the property by gravimetric method, etc. If some interference are there, now if your reports are not proper, it means that there are some interfering compounds, interfering radicals. So you have to eliminate. Eliminate means to remove. You have to remove this interference. You have to remove this interference and again measure the property on the same instrument or by the same method. Then you have to calculate the results, measure the property, then calculate the results and eliminate reliability of results. You have to make it accurate results. You have to make the accurate results. First of all, you have to select a method, process the sample. If sample is not soluble, then you have to go for dissolution. If it is soluble, you have to measure the property, find out the rough readings, also called as pilot readings, remove the interference and again measure the property, calculate the results and go for the accurate results. This is a method. This is a diagram showing the steps in quantitative analysis, possible path for the steps of quantitative analysis. Thank you.